Does anyone wanna hook up?
Hey, baby.
You want to go out?
Sure.
Great! So what's up?
I'm doing fine, and I like your me, especially the eyebrows.
Thank you, cutie.
You're welcome, baby.
So, how do you treat girls?
I take them on a romantic evening to the movie theater to watch my favorite movie, 50 Shades of Grey.
That's one of my favorite fight movies, too.
Yeah, it has a great plot.
A really great one.
I know, right? So how are you?
Great, I'm in bed, but not sleeping.
I hate when people have to sleep, unless I get to watch them.
Weird.
Hey, wanna play a game? I'm gonna draw something and you're gonna guess what it is.
Okay, let's play. A hedgehog.
Nope, it is my Sonic OC Zonic. He has tragic backstory. His mom and dad were killed in war, so he tried to be killed on railroad tracks. So he was cut in half, but doctors sewed his legs on head because they couldn't find body. He can only go speeds of fast and listens to MCR in one direction. He cry every day for what happened to him that day.
Talk to you later. Good night, boo.
No, wait, don't sleep yet.
Why? I have to wake up early tomorrow.
But we must chat all night. Just me and you. Bae? Bae? Bae! Dude, you're wasting memory!